Pasok na mamaya. Pasok na lang pag nakabihis na.
First possession. Amy. Shot back. Wala.
Gamit mo. Wala dito.
Foul eh. Wala. Rebound. Hurt. Bata, last two round. Nasa by Hurt. 2 points. Balik na rin natin sa sorry. All over 30 Kurt. First personal. First team foul. 2 shots. For number 13, John. Jesse.
Time out mamaya pagkapasok. Ha? Time out pagkapasok. Pag nakapasok yung puti. Pag nakapasok yung puti.
Oo, sige, sige.
Second shot is good for John.
Lere ka pala nila?
Kurt, wala. Ram, sinasa kay Mata. Steal by Tomoy. Counter steal by Kurt. Kurt, 2 points. Time out. SC quality clear. Official score 8-2. 6-point lead by 8 Gilas. We would like to thank our major sponsor in Grace International for our migration
Sino yung sa top score
services.
doon? Sino? Si Kurt. Sino ba? Hindi, ano yan? Tawag doon? Running time.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Lagay mo dito. Last call.
Bring it in. Asper. Ref Stewart. Alright, kompleto na ang lima ng ST Quality Care. Panglima si Garcia. Let's go. Shaw. Pass to Ala. Fake. Pass to Passes. Fake left. Driving. Foul. Foul number 0. Mark Villanueva. Mark. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 17. Robin Passes.
Huwag may ano to eh. Ikalat.
Emanuel. Ano ang pangalan niya?
Eman, di ba?
Ay, yun ang full name lang.
First name, second name.
Anong kita mo? Sosto mo?
Luis Ro.
Yung sosto mo. Sabi ko sana, ano mo si Kuya Louie? First name niya pala.
Kurt, 2 points. 6 straight points for Kurt.
Bakit ito, Pete?
Allen, misses. Iwan by Enriquez. Steal. Eleven seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. Pokoy. Nakaplay, wala. Round for 3. Wala ang rebound by Paulus. Pinasakay ko Roy. Robert. Dribble the ball. Against Mata. Passes. Pinasakay Garcia. Layup. Wala. Walang back. 4-2. Walang back against John. Layup. In and out. Rebound. Mata pa out. Balagdag pa rin. Pinasakay Mata. Pinasakay balagdag. 2 points. PNB connection.
Housemates. Housemates.
Housemates connection pala.
Magkabahay pala sila.
Paule, for three. Wide left. Rebound by John. Seven on the line.
Sabi
Two to rep. Two to rep. Matangin. Enriquez out. Wally, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Kuya Arnold. Nabitawan. Passes. Wala. Pero may foul. Foul number 15. Wally Nago. First personal foul. 13 foul. Two shots for again for number 17. Robin Passes.
Si Tascor dito. I see you. Hindi, hindi. Balat pa. Yung isa pa. Ay, 8 ba? 8 plus 4 pala. 8 plus 4 pala.
Wala pa rin. Paulit, wala pa rin. Ata. Driving, pinapakay Balagbat. Reverse is block. Pero nakuha pa ni Arnold. Kurt, pinapakay mata. 3 seconds. Violation.
Kulang sa warm-up.
Go. Pass to Paul. Pass to passes. Against Wally. Robin. Still by Mata. Grabe pa ko. Balagbat. Short. Sable. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds. Mata. Wala. Rebound. Wally. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Balagbat. Wala. Rebound Casas. Shot lang ito. Makata. Drive. Wala. Rebound Garcia. Ito na. 2 points. And the first quarter official score, white goal. Makata against Gonzalez. Ahoy against Balagbat. 3 seconds violation.
Dead ball, pre. Dead ball.
Balagbat for 3. Sinks it in for a round. John, kita kay Casas. Steal by Boto. Gonzalez, nasa kay Balagbat. Is foul. Sabi ko sa ref, foul number 13.
Sub.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Ilang pa na yan?
First personal foul. First team foul for John. Yes. Rod for 3. Wala. Rebound. Apata. Apata. Pass to Paule. Wala. White ball. Boto. All the way. Steal by Paule. No. 10 seconds. Robin is foul. Foul number 25, Manan. First personal foul. First team foul.
Palong two shots. Palong two shots.
Call!
Paul for three. Bang! Gonzalez space twice. Wala. Rebound Takata. John. Pass to Paul. Layup. 2 points. Time out. Time out. Amy Pilas. Official score 59. 6-point lead by Amy. Shout out kay Kuya Eli na nandito pa rin. Kahit first game sila.
Skip sila?
Siyempre kay Kuya Malyado rin.
Kasi pero nagbenta na kami. Sino talo ko sa. Pwede nga baka nang pagkakala.
Kuya Eli, meron ka pa? Kuya Eli? Kuya Eli, meron ka pa? Next week.
Nakikrib pa naman ako sa tusino. Puti.
Bili mo ito sino dyan. Bili mo ito sino dyan. Bili mo ito sino dyan.
Roland? Wala. Foul. Number 18, Roland. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Last ko yung Louie. Wala.
Outlet. Pass to passes. Pass to blue. Kick ball. Outlet for three. Wala. Rebound Makatang. May foul.
Si Bono.
Foul number 18, Roland. Second personal foul, third team foul. Passes, knuckle play, 2 points. Nice play by SP Quality. Ata, pass to Jason. Patuloy na nag-iinit, 3 points. By Jason Hernandez. Song, Pangkata, pass to Garcia. Wala, rebound, Roland. Pass to Ron Cuevas, all along, masyadong malakas. Song, drive. Boto, field 2, field 1, Boto, Kimira, 2 points. Time out. SP Quality. The score 20-11. 9-point lead by Amy Vilas.
Maganda laban. Magka-time out. Baka ni Kaufman siya. Lalo si Kaufman. Maganda dito sa atin. Oo, bakit?
Black ball po, black ball, black ball. Kakashoot lang po, kakashoot lang.
Ba't din yung time? Di ba kakalayap lang?
Takata is foul. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot is good for Pakata. Louie Manas, spin, fires, wala. Arba. No. Pass to Pakata. Drive. 2 points. Mata. Serving the floor. Pass to Jason. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Mata.
Dead ball pa.
Louie. Wala. Rebound na Mata.
Yeah, wag na.
Pakata rebound. Pakata. For boom. By Pakata. 2 points. Apat na lang po ang round ng Amy Hilas. First, pull up. Wala. Rebound. Joey Garcia. Joey, tinira ang tres. Wala. Rebound John. May foul. Nandito si rep.
Jason.
Foul number 24. Pasok, pasok. Second personal foul for Jason Hernandez. Two shots for number 13, John Gressa. Score of 2. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng inning. Drop. Mata. Pass to Wally. Wally drives, goes up. Back shot is good. Shot clock is off, mga kaibigan. Shot clock is off. Passes. Pass to Joey, moment 3. Wala, arriba at Wally. Pero na, completed by Wally. Mata. 2 points. 2 seconds. And of the second quarter, official score 24-18. 6-point lead by Amy Vidas. Mata. Strong steal by Garcia. Counter steal by Manan. Wally. Wala. Rebound Cases. Pakata. Tinasa kay Joey. Tuhira. 2 points.
Nila sa gilid.
Balagpag for 3. Wala. Rebound. Pakata. 4-2. Ole. 2 points. Third. Tinasa kay Garcia. Steal kay Garcia.
Sige. Sige.
Pakata.
Lapit, Kurt,
Pass
lapit.
to Joey.
Lapit sa 3-point shot, lapit sa 3-point shot.
Passes. Steal by Mata.
Kaya, takbo!
Balagpag. 2 for 1. Wally. 2 points. Gandang laban. Bawian. Mata sa mata. Ibig sa sangkit.
Nakachisa nga doon sa kabila, sa kabila! Sa kabila! Kurt, sa kabila!
10 seconds.
Sa kabila, sa kabila, sa kabila!
Passes. Nakita si Joey. Open three. Bang! Mata, pinasa ng Ibanan. Layup. Nililis pa yung ring. Grabe naman.
1-2 tayo, 1-2. Pre, ganda lang sa taas, pre. Pre. Tapit, tapit. Ito yung pucha sa kabila, sa kabila.
Drive. Pero may foul. Foul number 0-0. Mark Mata. Second personal foul, first team foul. Fourteen seconds. Robin. Hook shot, wala. Producer rep. Number 17.
Number 17 first.
First personal foul. First team foul. Mata, bibigyan ng 3. Bang! Good, good, good.
Angat kisa pa.
Tuloy pa pare.
Tulong, tulong, tulong. Tulong.
Time out.
Time out. SP, quality care.
Sinipon.
Foul number 12. Ram, Balaklat.
Punta pala.
First personal foul for Ram.
Pwede mag-stop pare, pwede. Siya yung mag-alam. Two shots for... Wala.
2 shots for number 8, John Akata.
Hindi niya shoot yan.
Sablay, sablay.
Hindi niya shoot yan.
Lalapas eh, no?
First shot, no good.
Kahit ako, hindi ko shoot yan eh. Ayun lang.
Sabi to siya, ref. Same ball.
Kuha na tao, kuha na tao. Nice. Sure pass, sure pass.
Skill ka, Joe. Pinasa kay Robin. Pinaliwa ka. 2 points. Pinasa kay Kurt. Kurt is foul. Foul. Joey Garcia. First personal foul.
Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa pa.
Sino next? Ay, sila boss na pala.
Sino?
BMS.
First shot, no good.
Tsaka SP no? SP quality.
Sabi ko sa ref. Gonzalez in, Mendoza out. Fourteen to shoot. Zone is foul. Sabi ko sa ref.
Second year.
Foul number 12, Ram Rat. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Tagal mo eh.
Sabi ko sa ref. Official score, 32-29, 3-point lead by Amy Gilas.
Wala. Isang press mo lang.
Isang fresh yung supply agad.
Mark, ano na?
Papahinga eh, no?
Ay, di pala siya. Parang ako.
Hindi gagawa mo.
Requestas, wala. Rebound, Jong. 2-4. Disadvantage.
Kitaan mo, kitaan mo.
Agad na ang push drop. Ito na. Ole. Joey. Joey. Wala. Ram. Big foul. Foul number 13, Jong. Second personal foul, 13 foul. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. Ron, corner 3. Shorty. Requestas, wala. Ron pa rin. Pinasakay Gonzales. Ay, kay Boto. Foul number 13 ulit. Third personal ka na, Jong. Warning for penalty na po ang SP. 2 shots for number 18. Roland Boto.
Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, kuya.
First shot, no good.
Para sinabi mo.
Wala. Rebound, foul. Pass to Jong. Rebound si Jong. Roland. Drives. Sabi ko siya rep. Gonzalez pulls up, 2 points, nothing but net. Garcia, pass to Ole, open 3. Wala. Rebound, Joey. Jong, mid-range jumper, wala. Rebound, Gonzalez. Nasa kay Jason. Ron. Arnold. Bumalik kay Ron. Tumira ang press. Malakas naman ngayon. Rebound, Garcia. Foul number 5, Arnold. First personal foul. 13 foul. Garcia sa loob. Wala. Fourth quarter. Next game, SK Quality Care 35 up versus VMS Detailing. Let's go. Joe, pass to Robin. Takata, full shot. Wala. Rebound pa White. Wala pa rin. Sayang na bola. Pinasakay balat-bat. Pinalik kay Roland. Bumomba. Pumira. Wala. Rebound yung round. Wala rin. Rebound yung passes. Foul number 12. Balat-bat. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Pesa ulit tayo, pesa.
Passes. Tumira. 2 points.
Next week.
Roland is fouled by Takata.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. Mata. Pass to Jason. Wala. Roland rebound, wala pa rin. Takata. Handled by Mata. Pero may foul. Foul number 0, Mata.
Third.
Third personal foul, second team foul.
Yeah.
Akatang, pinaksak kay Tokoy, 2 points. Dalawa na lang. Ang hinahabol. Mata for 3. Bang! Akatang, wala. Pero rebound kami ni Pakatang. Pakatang is foul. Foul number 24. Third personal foul. 30 foul. 2 shots for number 8.
Hindi, baseline daw, baseline.
John Pakatang. Ah, sorry, baseline. Baseline na pala, sorry. Okay ulit, naka-play. Pwede ba ito rin yan? 2 points. Grabe.
Ayun nga no.
Ay, gago mo, no?
Malagbat, open 3. Wala. Rebound by Enriquez. Steal by Ram. Sinasayola, out of bounds. Sabi ko sa ref. Pasok, Mendoza in. Roland out.
Dalawa ka lang po pagka... Angat dito sa kabila! Ayan na! Tulong!
Jong. Pass to passes. Binalik kay Jong. Kokoy. Drives. Kokoy. Wala. Rebound first. Pass to Mata. Mata is fouled. And 1. Foul number 7. Kokoy. First personal foul. Second team foul. On the shot for number 0-0. Mark. ATA. Villanueva. Mata. And 1. Makata. Offensive foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul po.
Time out.
Time out. SP qualification. Next game. 35 up. Division. VMS Detailing versus SP qualification.
Sunod kayo. Mamaya pa.
Mamaya pa ang gawin.
Last game.
Save the best for last.
Wala, kulong-kulong kalaban mo.
Yun,
Kevin.
Hindi maglalaro?
Kulang-kulang lang. Pero lalaro sa last game.
Kasi tuwing Saturday may isang basyahan.
Nakasintawan.
Gonzalez, wala. Rebound. Garcia. Jong. Wala. Mata. Against Cases. Binagsak kay Kirk. Traveling. Makata. Mas to foul it. Kaya sa kay Jong. For 3. Bang! Time out. Time out. 80. Official score 41-38. 3.35. Amy Vilas.
Ano, standing nyo kaya? Hindi naman matatalo yung mga yan. natalo yung mga yun.
Gago. Hindi naman.
I-jinx ka niya.
Kumukontra.
We're heading to stop time in 3 minutes. Mata. Pass to Jason. Billy kay Mata. 10 seconds. Gonzalez, 2 points.
Long hair.
Tulong! Lapit!
Paule for 3. Wala. Rebound, Mata.
Bilis! Bilis!
Kurt. Binagsak kay Malatbat. Binagsak kay Gonzalez. Binalik pa kay Kurt. Wala. Rebound Kurt. Fade away. Wala. Mata. Same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution.
Sab!
Louis in. Kurt out. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds.
Angat ang kabisa, angat!
Pakada. Pinagsak kay Garcia. Steal by Gonzalez.
Relax lang!
Jason wala. Rebound by Gonzalez.
Parang mata.
Ulit! 1-2-2! Angat isa ito! Sino isa ito? Bisa, sa taas ka! Tulong!
Pastor Paul Paule. Paule. Wala. Rebound Jason. Eight seconds. Mata, fade away, 2 points.
Ayun na!
Ganda gagi.
Bisa lang, bisa!
Take over eh, no?
John, steal.
Pare, tayo mag kayo. Tayo mag.
Wala. Mata is foul. Foul number 25, Banat. Second personal foul, 14 foul.
Tayo mag ba? Hindi. Go.
Wala, hindi mo tumatawag. Sige, game lang kayo. Sure na kayo. Kuha ng bantay!
14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds.
Tingin-tingin kayo, tingin-tingin. Lapit, Jackson, lapit!
John. Kasama. Paule, 8 seconds. John for 3. Bang!
Mauna na rito, Christian.
4.15 lang. Mata. Sinasakay ba lang pa? Dinarap pa kay Louie! Basket and 1!
Default.
Time out pag pumasok.
Again.
Time out. SP Quality. Official score 48-41. 7-point lead by Amy Villas.
Jokic.
Shout out Nikola Jokic.
Advance kaya? Advance. 14 seconds agad. Jokic siya. Ganito, parang ano pa lang yan, 8 years old pa lang yata yan eh.
Gawin na din.
Pero mo kay kuya, dito sa ano ni Edna.
Isa na ka. Wala sa tres, wala sa tres.
14 seconds, 14 seconds.
Isa si Joey.
14 seconds.
Isa, number 4.
Kasi si Bowling the ball. Pass to Fowler. Nakita si Joey. Titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Gilas ball. Wala lang tayo mga SP ha, pero pang isa yung Gilas. Third foul, number 12, Garcia, third personal foul. Penalty. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Natulog ka ba, boss?
Team foul.
Natulog ka ba?
14 foul pala, 14 foul. Louis, running the ball. Unsportsmanlike foul. Unsportsmanlike foul, number 8, John Pacarang.
Hindi lang jersey. Hindi lang. Basta kayo Louis dito.
First shot is good.
Nabate.
That's 2. 15 seconds to shoot, 15 seconds. Penalty na po yung SP penalty na, SP. Steal by John. Akata, 4-3. Short. Harvard.
Time out.
Time out. Amy Gilas. Wala na po yung time out. Tama na yan. Ha? Advance po sila. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Steal by Pakata. 2 points. Gonzalez, 2 points. Arbaz. Pakata. Robin. Short.